Hi all, this is Kamini Kusum, author of 4 books. My last 2 books, Gunpoint Groom and Honey and the Moon, have been into Amazon Best Read and hot new releases. Apart from writing, I have worked in corporate for several years, but I would say that writing has been my passion, and I look forward to writing many more books in the future. I've been a voracious reader right from my childhood. I used to read anything and everything that came my way, right from comics to teen novels. Then, when I was grown up, I started reading Mills and Boons, and then many more novels of different genre. A few writers whom I have read almost all their works have also inspired me, like Daniel Steele, Nora Roberts, and many more. So apart from these people who have inspired me, to take a pen and write down my thoughts, so there are different people whom I meet in my society, people around me, and everybody has some story hidden, among themselves. So I thought that since I have so many ideas in my mind, why don't I put my ideas into a form of a novel or a book. So since then I started writing, and the writing journey took off. My preparation for a future novel starts while I'm already writing or working on a book. So when I'm working on certain novel, it's not just that I'm only writing on and on and on. Apart from that, my research for my future work also goes on. So I research on internet. I meet with different people whom I think can give me idea about my future work. I go to different places, locations, and explore the things out. So this is how the research for my stories, work through. My publishing experience, I would say, has been quite smooth. Initially, of course, I didn't know how to go about publishing, how to approach people, and once the book is out, published, how to like do the marketing of the book, bring a visibility to it, create a brand name of myself. So it was definitely a challenge in the beginning, but then I would say that things worked out. I learned a lot. Yes, of course, it was a roller coaster ride. Sometimes, I did do some mistakes in the entire process. I learned, and then, uh, and then the things went on well. Apart from that, I would say that my publishers have also been very helpful, very cooperative, and they all help me, understand how the marketing works, and things have been like smooth. It is a wonderful feeling, being a best-selling published author. As I told you, my last 2 books, Gunpoint Groom and Honey and the Moon, have been into Amazon Best Read and hot new releases, and they are being received quite well, wonderfully by the readers. So it's really a great feeling. It gives you immense pleasure when your readers, write kind of fan mails to you, and then they appreciate your work and they look forward to your future work. So being a best-selling author is really a wonderful feeling. Jashan event management and promoters have been doing a wonderful job arranging different literary events, book launches, and I would say that I am really fortunate that I have been a part of such events organized by Jashan Events Management. And for the last 2 years, I have been also a part of Jashan Literature Festival, and I would say Seema is really doing a wonderful job arranging such festivals. And during such events only, I have got to meet some very good authors, some renowned personality. So it's really wonderful the way Jashan Event and Seema has been working.